One of the Canadian Pacific's most scenic routes is their route through the mountains of Western Canada. CP has occupied this stretch of track for more than 130 years, and anyone who has railfanned this area can tell you that it is simply breathtaking. In this video, we chase trains from Eggshot to Squamish and back again, seeing not only CP, but also some CN trains along the way. We see trains of grain, coal, manifest, intermodal, and more, all pulled by a variety of equipment. Even see the beloved Rocky Mountaineer cruise train. See parts of the story behind retired buildings, structures, and the old days of railroading on CP that have been preserved and narrowly avoided the threat of being lost to history. If you enjoy trains in the mountains of Western Canada, then you'll want to join us for this hour-long presentation of Railfan's Journey Through the Mountains, Railfanning in beautiful British Columbia.